Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my warrior crane. So here it is. It's a paper crane with a shield, like so. So yeah, and guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So yeah, first you need a square sheet of paper like this, and you want to fold it in half. Like so. You want to make a crease in the middle like that, and you want to make a crease on the other side as well. So fold it in half like so. Then you want to unfold it. Then you want to pick a corner like so, and you want to bring this two edge right here to the center line. Okay. Okay, fold the first edge in, unfold, then fold the second edge. Okay, then you want to unfold. Then you want to fold that corner together, okay? And fold both of the edge inside, like so. And now you want to fold in these two corners right here. So you want to bring this edge up onto this edge right here, okay? And same thing here, this edge onto this edge. Okay, and now we're gonna fold them inside. So, and flip this inside as well. Okay, and now we want to open up this pocket right here and fold that down. So this is going to be the shield, of course. And now you want this on the outside, okay? And you want to fold it in half. Okay, fold the paper in half. And you're going to make a paper crane, of course. So you want to fold. Okay, so let's pre-crease it. So you want to bring these two corners right here onto the bottom corner right here, okay? So make sure this edge lines up with the center crease line as well, okay? Okay, and same thing here. Then you want to unfold. Then you want to open up the whole model. Then you want to fold this corner right inside, okay? Following the crease line that we just folded. Okay. And same thing here. Open up this pocket and fold this right inside, okay? And now you want to bring where the other side of the shield, okay? You want to bring this two edge right here onto the center line, okay? Both of the layers. Or you can do the layer one by one if you like. Okay, then you want to fold this top triangle down, leaning against this edge right here on the bottom. Okay, and you want to flip it over to this side, and you see this two side corner. You want to fold them onto this center line, okay? And make sure this edge is parallel to the center crease line, Okay, so kind of eyeball it, and you just have to make sure it's straight. Okay, I think this is good enough. Okay, then you want to unfold all this, and then you want to take that first layer and fold it right onto this top crease line right here. Okay, and now you want to fold this edge down to the center line. Okay, folding the crease line that we just folded. Okay, and same thing on this side as well. So you want to bring this edge right here onto the center line, folding the crease line that we just folded. Okay, and make sure everything lines up. And now you want to flip it over to this side, and then you see those two corners. You want to unfold it and open this up and fold these corners inside. Okay, follow following that crease line. Okay, so fold that crease line in. Okay, same thing here, fold this corner in, folding the crease line that we just folded before. And then you want to take this layer and fold that right onto this top crease line right here. Okay, and then you want to fold this edge right here onto that center line. Okay, folding the crease line that we folded before. And same thing on this side as well. Okay, okay, and now where this part is right here, you want to bring this edge right onto that center line. Okay, that same thing on this side. And now flip it over and do the same thing on the other side as well. Okay, okay, and now we're gonna fold them up. So open right here and fold this all the way up. Okay, should almost touch the top here. Same thing here. Okay, and now make sure the shield is facing towards you, and on the left side, going to fold down the head. Okay, and now fold this down and pull out the shield from underneath. Okay, and fold this bottom piece in half. Okay, and fold this out, fold this all the way out as well. Okay, then fold it forward. So, and fold in these corners right here on the bottom and also on the top as well. Okay, and on the right side, you can also fold down the wing, of course. You can leave it as this, or you can fold out the wing to make a little sword. That's what I did here. So you want to bring this back edge right onto the body of the crane. Okay. Like so. And fold the wing in half. So you see that center space right here? So bring this edge onto this edge. Okay. And here is a little sword. So yeah, here's my warrior crane. So thank you for watching and have a great day.